Here we go.
What? Whoa!
Hey guys, we're at Pocket.watch Studios. I'm Josiah and
I'm Aiden.
Today, we're gonna be making paper mache surprise eggs. First step is, I think we need to get this. And we gotta dip it into our bowl of glue right here. We're dipping newspaper and paper mache. Then we gotta put it on here. And then just keep doing that until you get all of it. After 2 layers of paper and glue, they'll be ready. I'm gonna do this careful so I don't rip any of the paper. This glitter is magic. When we put it in, then that's where the magic becomes magic.
And then we're gonna come back and paint them when they're done.
I'm almost done.
I'm not. I think.
All right, so this is what it's gonna look like when you finish. It's hard. Pop the balloon, so there's no balloon in there anymore.
Yeah.
Well, there is, but it's popped. This is probably another fun part. You get to paint.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm
yeah.
talking about. I'm mixing like the white and gray all together. Pretty cool.
Now I am about to add some glitter. That's how you gotta do it.
Yeah, like. Oh. It's like sand.
I'm gonna spread the glitter around too.
Yeah.
So it's not just all in one place. And when you are done, you just gotta add more glitter and then there should be something inside.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta mix it. It's a falling.
Magic glitter.
Magic glitter.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more paint because
Yeah.
it's all on the table.
Me too. I'm gonna have some white. I'm putting it on. I know, it looks cool, huh?
Okay, so we have the final product. This is what it should look like when you're done painting it and, you know, adding some glitter. Okay, there sounds like there's a lot of stuff in there, so here we go. Got a hole.
What? Whoa!
Pop rock cotton candy.
Take
So I gotta
take the back off.
a bouncy ball. Oh no, oh.
And then so I got some gum, hi chew, yeah.
Cotton
And then
candy.
I got this. I have Batman.
Some e-fruit.
Another keychain.
Milky cow. Cookie dough.
Oh yeah, candy,
Cookie dough.
candy cake.
Chocolate.
Candy
I'm
cafe.
probably gonna have to eat that first.
Yeah. Subscribe and hit that like button. Leave a comment if you want us to do another video. And I'm Aiden, and he is
Josiah, and we're at Pocket.watch Studios, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.